Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We're here 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that is not the love that will make you happy. What will make you happy is to share all the love you have inside of you. That is the love that will make the difference. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 3, NASDAQ up 12, S&P's up 1, gold contract up $4.80, trading at $1,346 an ounce. Silver up 6 cents at $19.87 an ounce. Platinum up $4 at $1,555 an ounce. Copper down a penny at $2.16 a pound. Light sweet crude off 26 cents, $42.76 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year note up 10 ticks, 132.11. 30-year bond up a full point, plus 2 ticks, 172.23. King dollar down 245 ticks, trading at 96.09. The euro is trading at $1.11, and the yen is at 101.94. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. Can you say failure on price, failure on volume on every indice, folks? Because that's what we have. This is going to get really intriguing. It's a deviant market extraordinaire. Let's go through this, baby. Okay, so what do we have? Take a look at the SPY first. This is what you have. Last Friday, we break topside. Volume is not bad, but guess what? You get out of the consolidation. The consolidation we're talking about is from where we were on July 14th. July 14th, the SPY is trading at 216 and 67 cents. Bottom line, you broke topside on Friday. No, not a huge amount, but you got up to 218.23. Bottom line, what do we do out here today? You get over it. We do 71 million shares. We do 50 million shares versus the 71, which, by the way, is still light. You close underneath it. Now, the ABC structure that we had was 218.90. You hit 218.17. It's like, okay. Bottom line, is what you're going to see as we're going through this, though, each and every indice failed. We go to the NDX 100. NDX 100, what do you have? NDX 100, 3 Qs today, get to $117.29. You get over the high of last Friday, which is $117.04. You close underneath it. You do 13 million shares. 13 million versus 23 million. That, folks, is highs with anemic volume. Distribution has been going on anyway. Bottom line, you get a failure. We go to the IWM, the Russell 2000. Let's go to the Russell 2000 first. Bottom line, failure there. This one is really a deviant one, too. Friday's high, you had 12.32. Bottom line, you get to 12.33.29. You close at 12.31.62. We take a look now just at the correlation inside the SPY itself. SPY did 50 million versus the 71 million. Qs, same anemic deal on the way down. So now what does that set up? Now, that being said, this is the deviance part of this. I mentioned this in the first hour. The DAX, folks, had failed on price and volume yesterday. Then what does it do today? Today it goes up 2.5%. So that deviance of that, pay attention to it. My take is that we're going to fail tomorrow, but this is more intriguing to me that the DAX likes trading like the NASDAQ, and we see the DAX go topside. It takes that whole structure out. That being said, I suspect what you're going to see, you're going to see a slight turn down the market tomorrow. We'll see whether we get volume on the way down. And if we do have an expansion of volume, guess what? You're going to start heading down to the June 24th high first before that low. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract today looks like it's doing a small ABC structure on the way down. We went up $4.10. You're trading at $13.45. We had 113,000 contracts, and it needs a lot more than that, folks, because what you have happening is this, is that we came down last Friday in the jobs number with 223,000. You go up with 113. That's a normal B2C of an ABC structure on the way down. I suspect we're going to get down somewhere to 1289, 1250. It's a correction in a bull market move that wants to go higher. Silver, same setup in silver. You take a look at silver. What you have with silver is this. Silver today went up with 41,000 contracts. I believe 80 was on the way down. Yeah, 81,000 on the way down. Same type of setup. Silver looks like it wants to trade back into this $18 area. Right now, you're at $19.87. Bonds. Now, the notes, bottom line, all day long today, we're given the indication this market, you know, we really had a flat market all day, folks. It just sold off slightly. I mean, that's the reality here. But notes were given the indication that this wanted to sell off. All day long, since 7:30 this morning, notes start crawling up little by little by little. The notes right now are at 132.11, and they won't look like they're going to go for the lowest swing high, which is 133.04, which brings you into the swing highs from July 29th, that is. The 30-year bond, same type of setup inside the 30. And, you know, we'll see what they can handle up there, because the larger issue, really, I thought this thing was going to come back down to the lows that were generated out here from the June 24th area. Okay, that June 24th area bottom line looks like it still wants to get tested. We'll see how it handles first, though, this 174.22 area, because that is what it looks like it wants to go after right now. Dollar. Okay, so the dollar index, where are we with the dollar? Okay, so dollar index right now, this is where we're setting up with the dollar index. Dollar index right now is traded at 96.09. We did 12,000 contracts out here today. That is a pullback with light volume. We had gone up last Friday with 24,000. So the dollar index is also making its way up into this area of $97.62. That high that was up there on July 25th, it looks to me that that high does want to get tested. We'll see how it handles it. Bottom line, I expect what you're going to see out here tomorrow is you're going to get a bit more volatility in the marketplace. What we're also going to get is this. After the close right now, well, we just closed, but at 4:15, when we come back after this break, you're going to get a lot of numbers coming out that I suspect is going to start moving this market around. The IWM, we take a look at the volume inside the IWM. What we have in the IWM is this. You did 12 million shares versus 28 million. You can see in each and every indices, they're in harmony. They failed on price, failed on volume. What does that say? That says you want to go south tomorrow. We'll see whether we get an expansion of volume as we head to lower price. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.